Check out this lifetime deal from softwaretrailers.com. Today we are presenting an amazing deal for Hupport. Do you want to manage multiple bookings and send automated follow-up reminders? Create appointments so that your clients can book appointments as easily as possible with Hupport. Hupport is an appointment scheduling software that sends automated follow-up emails, voice messages, and SMS messages. It can also send out automated messages to remind customers of their upcoming appointments. Hupport integrates with Google Calendar, Outlook, and other well-known calendar applications. You can use Hupport to allow customers or clients to book a meeting with a few clicks on their desktop, tablet, or mobile device. With Hupport, customers will receive a personalized reminder via email, text message, or voice message to give them a gentle nudge a few hours before the meeting. You can even configure the follow-up so that attendees don't forget or arrive late. The booking page can also be customized to reflect your company's logo, brand name, and social media accounts, making it look sleek and professional. You can also schedule a buffer time before or after a meeting so that you have enough time to prepare between sessions. You'll also have a quick overview of your earnings, analytics, and review requests at your fingertips with the detailed dashboard. Hupport provides unique discount and promo codes, allowing you to easily offer seasonal discounts to your customers right from your appointment page. Save time, prevent no-shows on scheduled appointments, and make it easier to acquire new clients. Keep track of all your online meetings and appointments with Hupport. If you're looking for a top-tier appointment scheduling solution, Hupport is the way to go. With Hupport, ensure that your clients never miss their appointments, and it is also the ideal way to keep your business running smoothly and efficiently. Get started on the road to success by using Hupport today. Get lifetime access with Hupport for only $69. You can save as much as $900, so don't miss out on this great deal. If you like what you hear about Hupport, check out more details by clicking out the link in the description box below. Please check out current software lifetime deals available on the right side of your screen. Find a software solution that suits you. Subscribe and hit that like button to get updates on the latest software deals and much more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.